Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you how alfalfa benefits skin, hair, and health. Loved for its texture and taste, alfalfa is also packed with nutrients. Scientists are beginning to unlock the hidden benefits behind this humble herb. The alfalfa plant is related to the pea family, but it's also considered to be an herb. Alfalfa's name is rooted in the Arabic word that means father of all foods. The benefits of alfalfa come as little surprise, as per the researchers themselves. Alfalfa has risen from simple animal feed to becoming a much welcome component of the human diet. The wealth of nutrients is such that alfalfa is often utilized as an ingredient in diets intended to prevent and treat metabolic conditions. Numerous studies have been carried out across the decades looking into the health benefits of alfalfa. One study suggested that alfalfa leaf extract can help support the body in combating digestive tract disorders and malnourishment. It could be used to enhance strength and boost immunity too. According to a study in Pakistan, alfalfa sprouts are a successful and effective anti-diabetic food because of their ability to lower blood glucose levels. It may also decrease the dependency on insulin. Alfalfa helps blood circulation and strengthens immunity, protects against the development of dangerous diseases of the digestive tract, combats anemia, and many other health ailments. Different parts of the alfalfa plant have varied uses and effects. In traditional Chinese medicine, fresh alfalfa juice is used to treat kidney stones, while the plant root is said to control fevers and improve jaundice. Alfalfa leaves contain saponin, a compound that might have a cholesterol-lowering effect. If you have a problem with hair thinning and hair loss, then alfalfa is the plant for you. Its vitamin content improves scalp circulation and provides antioxidants for the hair follicles. Another helpful nutrient found in alfalfa is silica, which stimulates healthier hair growth and also strengthens hair. The abundance of vitamins and minerals found in alfalfa are very helpful to keep the skin healthy. They all work together to keep the skin supple and hydrated. These nutrients also cleanse the skin from within, giving off a natural and healthy glow. For those who are battling with dry skin, consuming alfalfa would be a big help. The chlorophyll content and vitamin A content treats dry skin, making sure the skin is properly moisturized. Also, the chlorophyll in alfalfa acts as a natural cleanser and cleanses the impurities from the body and fights off infections. The regular consumption of alfalfa also does wonders with skin diseases. This sprout is very effective in treating eczema as well as psoriasis. Alfalfa as a nutritional supplement is available in a wide array of forms, including capsules, powders, and tablets. Infusions made from the leaves and seeds can be purchased as well. Another way to add alfalfa to your diet is by eating it as sprouts. Alfalfa sprouts can be added to your diet in many ways, such as in a sandwich or mixed into a salad. You can buy these at health food stores or sprout them at home. Alfalfa is generally safe in its natural form. However, it may be harmful for some people, including pregnant women, people taking blood thinners, and those with an autoimmune disorder or a compromised immune system. The alfalfa plant is known for its long, rich history. We typically think of alfalfa as a plant used for animal feed, but as you can see, it provides many benefits to humans as well. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.